my God, look at this, guys. It's the first look at the final hardcover. I absolutely love it. Look at that. Oh, it's exactly what I wanted. Let's check it out. Inside looks great too. Ooh, love the description. Myself a little bit. I love how these images turned out, these chapter titles. There's graphs and charts, there's these call outs. Pictures from history. It's not personal. Number one lesson in politics. Look what we can do. Quick look at the first half of the book. Why I wrote it. Just really proud of this book. Excited to have you see it.